Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add subtitles on iMovie. Before getting started, let me disclose you that iMovie does not have a built-in feature to automatically generate subtitles. However, you can manually add subtitles using the title feature in it. First of all, open the iMovie application on your iPhone or your iPad. Now, go ahead and start up a new project or open up a project that you're recently working on. Click on the edit button soon after you open up the project and you will be able to see the project opened on the timeline. Click on the video layer and then go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the T option. Select the style that you want to use and tap on it. Now, enter the title in the preview screen. Go ahead and click on edit and you will then be able to type in your text. Type in your subtitle for the video and drag the text to move or pinch in or pinch out in order to zoom in or zoom out on the text. You can now go ahead and click on the three dots right above the text style and this will open up the option menu. In order to make the titles adjust the duration of your video, toggle on the button right next to full clip duration. Make sure you repeat the steps 2 or 4 times for each subtitles that you need. Now you can go ahead and choose the color for your subtitle text. Click on the little color wheel icon right next to the AA text titles and then select the color you would like to use for your subtitle from the palette. Once you are done with your edits, you can then go ahead and play your video by tapping on the play button at the top of the screen. And that is how you can add subtitles in iMovie. If you have a longer video or prefer a more automated process, you can consider using a third-party tool to generate subtitles. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.